it does. I tried it on different PS3s, still the same. It will just blink, 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 blink. I press the PS button, won't connect. Feel me? It won't connect. I tried resetting it, it still won't connect, even when it's charged. And then when I take the USB cord out, when I take the USB cord out, it won't. The lights won't even come on. And that's the both of them, both of my controllers. This one too. Hold up. Oh, shit. Both of them does the same thing. I don't know what's wrong, but and I have my third one. Well, as you can see, my green and black controller connects, and my silver controller also connects, but it's taking a little while. My fact, it's not connected to my system. That's what it is. I put the USB cord in this one. Oh, there we go. It connects, and that's it. I don't know what to do to get my PC controllers working, but I need them to work, YouTube. So everybody got any suggestions or know how to fix it, please reply. Thank you very much.